Aven's MicroVue digital microscope is an all-in-one inspection system. With its compact design and built-in HD monitor, the MicroVue is an ideal microscope for ergonomic inspection. The built-in 11.6-inch HD monitor displays real-time, crystal-clear 1080p images at 60 frames per second, with a magnification range of 17x to 110x. This monitor is placed at eye level at the top of the system and can be tilted to the optimal inspection angle. The MicroVue also features an HDMI output for viewing images on an external monitor. Optical magnification is adjusted using the click-stop zoom knobs on the side of the device. Featuring a USB output, operators can capture high-resolution image and video files with no computer required. The MicroVue also features on-screen measurement tools, giving operators the ability to take accurate measurements. The compact design and premium features make the MicroVue an ideal microscope when reducing workspace is critical. The MicroVue is designed to be customizable. Optional auxiliary lenses are available to adjust the MicroVue's magnification range. Increase the system's magnification or working distance simply by attaching these lenses to the bottom of the system. The MicroVue can also be mounted onto Aven's boom stands for additional performance and flexibility. Aven's MicroVue digital microscope, all-in-one inspection. For more information, visit aventools.com.